So next heading, general character of birds. We have seen birds are, it is warm-blooded. It is warm-blooded. Birds are warm-blooded, meaning warm-blooded and cold-blooded. Warm-blooded means they are adjustable environmental condition. They are adjustable environmental condition is known as warm-blooded. Or cold-blooded, the animal or organism does not adjustable environment. They are adapted, or their body fluid does not tolerate the environmental condition. It is known as a cold-blooded. So birds are, we have seen birds and mammal, they are adjustable environmental condition. In shortly, they are warm-blooded animals. They are warm-blooded animals. Second character, they are chordate animal. They are chordate. They are chordate animal. Notochord is present. No chord is present. So as to be including a chordate animal. They are vertebrate animal. Vertebrate column. They are vertebrata group. Vertebrate animal. They are include vertebrata. They are having cranium. Brain is included cranium. Brain is included cranium. Brain is included so as to include craniata or cranium. They are having a jaws. Xanthostoma. They are having a jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw, so include a xanthostoma group. They are having four limbs, tetrapoda. They are having a four limbs, tetrapoda, that is hand limbs and four limbs are. They include the hand limbs are adapted, walking, perching and swimming. They are having hand limbs are walking, perching. This one is a structure of the bird. Hand limbs. Four limbs are modified into wings. These are the important characters. Four limbs are modified. Tetrapoda. Four limbs modified into wings. Four limbs are modified into wings. Hand limbs modified into for walking, perching, swimming, etc. They are including subgroup tetrapoda animals. They are including body is spindle shaped. Body is spindle shaped. Body is spindle shaped or boat shaped. Body is boat shaped. Body is boat shaped, spindle shaped or boat shaped. Divided into head, neck, trunk, and tail. Head, neck, trunk, and tail. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk, and tail. The skin is dry. Glands are absent. Next character. Skin are dry. Skin are dry. Glands are absent. Glands are absent. Skins are dry. Glands are absent. Then jaws are elongated into beak. Jaws are elongated and modified into beak. Beak. Upper jaw and lower jaw are modified into a beak. The next character, the forelimbs are modified into a wings. These characters are very important. Forelimbs are modified. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Forelimbs are modified. This character, forelimbs are modified into wings. Hindlimbs are modified for the purpose of walking, locomotion purpose, walking, swimming, perching, etc. Then these animals, another important, oil gland or pring gland are located at the base of tail. Teeth are absent. Next character, teeth are absent. Teeth are absent. Teeth are absent. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Hindlimbs are modified into walking purpose, perching purpose, swimming purpose. Then jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw modified, long, elongated, and teeth are absent. Next character. Then their vertebrae are heterocylous. Then they are having double-headed. Then pectoral girdle modified, clavicle are two side, V-shaped. Furicula is an important character. Furicula, pectoral girdle modified into V-shaped structure, and it is known as furicula. Wings, forelimbs are modified into wings. Teethless, light beak. Flight, flight muscles are developed. Flight muscles are pectoral major, pectoral minor, etc. muscles are developed. Then these are the external character of the bicycle. Another important character, bones are pneumatic. Bones are pneumatic, means these bones are, they are not solid, but they have reduced their body weight so as to they are empty, or their bones are not a solid, but they are semi-solid, they are empty. So pneumatic bone is an important character. Then next character, the skin is monocondyle. Then they are having sin sacrum vertebra fused with the present of vertebral column. 14th vertebra or sin sacrum vertebra are fused. Sin sacrum vertebra are fused. That is 14th vertebra are sin sacrum fused, reduced for body purpose. So these are the external character of a birds. Externally they are modified than internal character. So general character of the birds, important character, they are warm-blooded animals. They are warm-blooded animals. They are including a chordata animal. Notochord is present. Nerve cord is present. Vertebral column is present. So as they are into vertebrata group. The brain is included in cranium. So craniata group. They are having a jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. So include a xanthostoma group. They are having forelimbs and hand limbs. They also include the tetrapoda. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Hand limbs are modified for the purpose of locomotion, walking, perching, swimming, etc. Body is divided spiral shaped or boat shaped. Then head, body divided into head, neck, trunk, and tail. Skin is dry. Glands are absent. Beaks, that is upper jaw and lower jaw, are modified into beaks. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Teeth are absent. Then the pectoral girdle modified into a furacula, V-shaped furacula. Philematic bone, important character. Then 14th vertebra are fused. So since sacrum vertebra, and these are the body is completely covered with a feather. Body is completely covered with a feather. These are the important external character of the bird. Then internal character, beginning from heart. Heart is four chamber. Heart is four chamber. Means we have seen beginning from apice group, two chamber, amphibia, three chamber, reptile, 3.5, and birds and mammal. Heart is four chamber. Heart is four chamber. Means left auricular, right auricular, left ventricular, right ventricular. These are the chamber. Heart is seen in case of the chamber of the heart. They are divided into a four chamber like this. These are the left auricles, then the left ventricles, right auricles, right ventricles. So these are the 1, 2, 3, and 4 chambers. They are present. Heart is four chamber. Blood vascular system closed type. Right systemic arch alone passes to left. Right systemic arch is persists to as to left like this. So systemic arch is developed. Right systemic arch is well developed. Then the lungs are provided with air sac. Lungs are provided with, this is a diagram. This one is a lung provided with, these are the small air sac. Lungs are provided with air sac. Lungs are provided with air sac. Air sac is right lung, left lung, and lungs are provided with air sac to increase the circulatory system, or to divide. Birds having a double respiration is a unique character. So as to double respiration means lungs and they are having a air sac are present at the time of the flight. They are utilized maximum consumption of maximum air, and so as to a lungs having a air sac, unique character of these birds. Then they are having 12 pair of cranial nerve. They are having 12 pairs of cranial nerve. They are having 12 pairs of a cranial nerve. Important character. Then they are having RBC is nucleated. RBC RBC is nucleated. Nucleated RBC is unique character. In case of the mammal, we have seen, particularly in case of the human, non-nucleated. RBC is nucleated is an important character. Kidney is metanephric. Kidney is metanephric. Metanephric kidney we have seen. Pronephric, mesonephric and metanephric. Metanephric kidney means they are having the all PCT, Bowman capsule, glomerule, Bowman capsule, PCT, lobe of the Henle, DCT, collecting tubules, all part are developed by the nephronic portion. So as to that kidney is known as metanephric kidney. Mesonephric kidney, lobe of the Henle are absent. Mesonephric kidney. Pronephric kidney, only Bowman capsule and PCT are present. Pronephric kidney. Metanephric kidney are the character of birds. So all part of the nephron, they are being developed. The nitrogen-based products are uric acid. Nitrogenous-based products are uric acid is a nitrogen-based product. We have seen in case of the birds. Then the ear, external pinnae of absent. The ear containing a single bone called columella oris. Then eyes contain additional character other than eyes contain vascular body called pectin. Eyes are having pectin. Pectin we have seen in case of the iris of eye, outermost layer ciliary layer, middle coat, and a retina innermost layer suppose. And in the retina layer, they are having a small additional organ. That organ is called pectin, and pectin is found only in birds. Additional character, when they are at the time of the flight, they easily seen a object on our surface. So pectin, due to the pectin is developed in an eye. Then they are male and female. They are separate. Sexual dimorphism they are food. They are oviparous. They laying the egg. Oviparous. They are oviparous. Viviparous and oviparous. Oviparous means the animal laying their legs. They are oviparous. Then these are fertilization is internal. Ovary, female has a single ovary and a single ovary duct. Female having single ovary and they reduce their body weight so as to they are having a single ovary. Then these animals having they are developed the parental care. Urinary bladder are absent. Urinary bladder are absent. Urinary bladder are absent. Single ovary. Ovary duct has been a single. Urinary bladder are absent. And parental care is also unique. Parental care is a unique character. So these are the internal character. External character we have seen as well as internal character. Internal character including blood vascular system is closed site, blood running between artery, vein and capillaries. Then heart is four chamber. Four chamber means left auricular, right auricular, left ventricular, right ventricular, four chamber outer. Then respiration, lung respiration or aerial respiration provide a lung having a air sac is a unique character. Then body we have seen head, neck and trunk and tail. So as to neck is present, so as to 12 pair of cranial nerve is a unique character. RBC is a nucleated RBC is also a unique character. Metanephric kidney. Metanephric kidney means a nephron consists of a bone capsule, glomerule, PCT, lobe of the Hindi, DCT, collecting tubules, all part of the nephron will develop so as to metanephric kidney is also unique character. Then the nitrogenous products are uric acid, first nitrogenous ammonia, urea, and uric acid. So as to in case of the bird, uric acid, that is a nitrogenous product. Then in eye, well developed, but internally they are developed a additional organ which is known as pectin. Pectin are found. Then oviparous, they laying their egg so as to they are oviparous animal. Then these animals, they are RBC, single ovary, unicharacter. In case of the in mammal, we have seen a pair of the ovary double, or in left side as well as right side ovary present, but single ovary here. Urinary bladder of same. Then parental care is also unique. So these are the general characters of birds. Important character in as concerning point for the external character. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Then if they are jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw, jaws are modified into a beaks. Teeth are absent. Bones are pneumatic bone. Then body is completely covered with a feathers. Forelimbs, hand limbs are modified for the locomotion locomotive purpose. They are including all remaining characters. They are vertebrate group. They are having a xanthostoma. They are aquatic animal. All these are the character for the external character of the birds. Then a diagrammatic representation, or in case of the diagrammatic representation, particularly we have seen in in a diagrammatic representation of the birds class ives or birds. Then introduction include a birds feathered bipedal locomotion vertebrate. Then they are having study of the bird known as ornithology. Study of the bird is known as ornithology. The master of, according to name of the scientist J.Z. Young, the master of air. They are largest bird is ostrich, smallest bird be hummingbirds. These are the ostrich, and these are the diagram or photo of the smallest bird, that is humming. Bee humming is the smallest bird. Then origin of birds. Most paleontologists agree that common ancestor of existing bird was a type a small feathered dinosaurs. Then feather flightless, their origin like this. Archaeopteryx, connecting links between reptile and birds. Archaeopteryx. Characteristics of birds. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Boat shaped, streamlined body. Bipedal locomotion. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Hand limbs are locomotive purpose, adapted for walking, running, swimming and perching. Skin is dry. Only preen or oil gland, base of tail. Then these are the internal anatomy. Brain, lungs, heart, stomach, gizzard, then ear sac, and intestine. These are the internal anatomy of birds. Then legs, hand limbs are modified, that is a perching, grasping, then swimming, like this. Exoskeleton, feathers, like this. Then structure of the feathers. Then endoskeleton, pneumatic bone, without bone marrow, pneumatic bone. Monocondylic skin, two sacral vertebrae, synsacrum, last thoracic, lumbar, sacral, etc. Skull, these are the structure for the skull portion. Phygostyle, supported for the tail portion. These bone are also present. Flight muscles, well developed. Pectoral major, pectoral minor. Then these are the flight muscles. Pectoral major, large ribs. Pectoral minor arises from sternum. Digestive system, not considering. Respiratory system, like this. Lungs, spongy. 9 ear sac, unpaired. Fresh air moving. This one is lungs, ear sac, lung respiration, ear sac are present. Like this. These are the ear sacs. High metabolic rate. Birds have a system branching ear sac so as to high metabolic rate is a unique character. Circulatory system. 4 chamber of the heart, 2 are artery, 2 are ventricles. Sinus, venous, trunk arteries are absent. Right systemic arch and pulmonary arch are present. Renal portal system are reduced. Erythrocyte, RBC oval and nucleated. Complete double circulation. Complete double circulation is unique character. Then excretory system, metanephric kidney, urinary bladder absent, uricotelic animal, unique character. Cranial nerve are 12 pairs. Eyes, sense organ, eyes, nasating membrane are present. Then sclerotic layers maintain shape of the eye. Comb shaped pectin. External ear open in present. Middle ear with a single ossicles. Olfactory sense is poor except in kiwi. Vision up to 8 times keener than a human vision. Each eye move immediately. That is pectin is present, so as to vision is very powerful as compared to human. Reproduction. Fertilization is external or internal. Oviparous. Then the cleavage. Right ovary, oviduct are present. Left oviduct or a single ovary. Left absent. Reproduction. The female reproductive system or reproduction, male reproductive system, and these are the end of the external character of or general character of the birds. So as to general character of the birds, all including external character as well as internal character, and the structure of the general character. Next, let's continue. Their adaptation. It is known as a flight adaptation. Flight adaptation is also important character. So these are all about the general character of a bird. Any doubt? Any question? समझते का झिनत?
हो सर.
Okay. Any doubt? Any question?
Sir, what about the bird's ears?
Yes.
Bird's ear means that you tell a pectin in eyes. Then what characters of their eyes means ears?
Eyes are having affecting eyes. Yellowness of eye, it shows outer in general wise in mammal. Suppose outermost layer is a ciliated layer, middle coat, and then in a three layers in mammal. Suppose in additional of there are a pectin is special. Pectin is a special organ. It function of that when they are flight on air. At that time, they easily seen on earth. They are searching the food or whatever may be, and so as to their a sight or vision is very powerful as compared to human and other animal. The some birds are they are travel at nocturnal. Their habit is nocturnal. At that time, their eyes pectin is a very powerful, so easily seen at the night time is also. Some are a diurnal, some are nocturnal, depending upon their habit or searching the food material. At the time of the migration, we have seen in at the migratory birds, especially night period, they are travel. They are very useful. That organ it is not pectin. Or any ear has been external pin has absent, suppose, and middle ear having a small bone or single bone, and that bone having the ear containing a single bone called columella arus. And we have seen in case of the mammal, they are a coaxial circulatory canal and etc. Then such a kinds of the organs they are absent, but they are a single bone. In bird having a character, they are reduced their body weight. They are one of the adaptation, and these adaptation, suppose they are having at the time of the flight, we have seen in a general character. Suppose in a general character, we can observe that their body has been modified for the purpose for the flight. They reduce their body weight. Body is completely covered with a feathers. Suppose the teeth are absent, bones are completely pneumatic, body is completely covered with feather. Internally, they are also modified. Their urinary bladder are absent, so as to they are modified excretory part for the uric acid. Then they are also modified left kidney. Left ovary has been there absent, oviduct has been absent. In this way, they are such a reduced their body weight for the flight purpose. And so as to it is a adaptation. At the time of the next topic, adaptation or a volant adaptation or flight adaptation. Later on discuss on detailed account of this flight adaptation. In case of the bird, another adaptation, their lungs portion, they are providing a air sac. It is also a unique character, and lung has been at the time of the flight, they are the increased metabolic rate. It may be carbohydrate, protein, or lipid metabolism. They increase the rate of the metabolism, and so as to it is also one of the adaptation ear sac, and that ear sac containing maximum ear to increase metabolic rate. Yes, all in doubt, Kamle? Yes.
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks.